Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Lasko U15617 High-Velocity Pro Performance Pivoting Utility Fan, a versatile powerhouse perfect for cooling, ventilating, exhausting, and drying in various settings like your home, job site, or workshop. This fan is equipped with 3 powerful speeds, delivering a high-velocity airstream of approximately 375 CFMs, making it ideal for cooling hot spaces, circulating stuffy air, and drying wet carpets and floors. Its rugged yet lightweight design, weighing just 12 pounds, features a large carry handle, allowing you to easily move it from room to room, whether it's your kitchen, garage, or basement. The fan also boasts 2 120-volt grounded outlets for accessory use and a pivoting action that lets you direct airflow precisely where you need it most. With a compact footprint of 11.3 by 14.5 inches and standing only 14.5 inches tall, this fan is slightly larger than a standard milk crate, making it a space-saving solution for your cooling needs. Safety is a priority with the Lasko Max Performance Fan, as it is ETL listed and includes a circuit breaker and reset button, along with a 10-foot cord and a 3-prong grounded plug for peace of mind. So, whether you're looking to cool down, ventilate, or dry out, the Lasko U15617 is your go-to utility fan for reliable performance and convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.